Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The Jamaican dollar has hit a new record low compared to the U.S. currency. The U.S. dollar is selling for an average of $158.03. The previous record was set yesterday at $157.90. Meanwhile, $124.95 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar and $215.53 for the pound. The euro is costing an average of $180.60. Scotiabank Jamaica has announced that its Crossroads branch will officially close on February 14. In a notice to clients, the bank says night depository services will remain available at the branch until further notice. In the last quarter of 2021, Scotiabank said it would close the branch as part of its shift to digital operations. Clients have been transferred to the New Kingston branch. A contractor has been selected to execute the runway expansion project at the Sangster International Airport in Montego Bay. Lagan Aviation and Infrastructure and H&J Martin Holdings are part of the Lagan Specialist Contracting Group based in the United Kingdom. The entities yesterday signed the contract valued at $34 million. The runway expansion project is valued at $70 million. Lagan will do the runway extension and establish the runway and safety area at the airport. The work will also include shoreline protection, realignment of the roadway, and the widening of taxiway echo. To the stock market now, the JSE index gained 761 points today, while the junior market index lost 4 points. Among the winners were Margaritaville Turks, Iron Rock Insurance, Lasco Financial Services, JMMB Group 7.25% shares, and Proven Investments US dollar shares. On the losing side were JMMB Group 7.25% VCP shares, Guardian Holdings, Community and Workers of Jamaica Deferred Shares, Fontana, and Berger Paints. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.